Wildfires, floodings, earthquakes and man-made incidents are striking Europe on a frequent basis. Often unforeseen, these crises elicit a complex response mechanism involving different categories of first responders, such as firemen, police, medical intervention teams and volunteers. Yet, the participation of such heterogeneous groups with specific operational procedures and chain of command poses real challenges in terms of coordinating actions and getting a clear overview of the emergency response. Respond A is a European project funded under the Horizon 2020 research programme, composed of 34 partners from 12 European countries, including practitioners' organisations, research institutes and industrial partners. The project will design an innovative platform to maximise situational awareness by providing a clear operational picture and achieve an optimal management of operations against disasters of any scale and complexity. In particular, the Respond A platform will boost first responders' operational capabilities in terms of early assessment, safety assessment, risk mitigation, crisis management capabilities. To that end, Respond A will harness the latest available technological innovations in the field, including 5G mission-critical networks and applications, augmented and virtual reality, drones and robots, smart equipment, sensors and wearables. The project is organising dedicated training sessions to familiarise first responders with the use of these innovative technologies and in the context of various use case scenarios. In the course of its 3-year lifespan, the project will test and implement the Respond A platform using real-world training facilities through 3 pilot sessions and a final demonstration with the participation of invited experts. Follow the development of our project on our website www.respond-a-project.eu and follow us on social media.